You sleep with your partner and it has you feeling like this because of their snoring, then I have the solution for you. The reason that people snore is because the majority of the time they're actually breathing through their mouth, and this really enhances snoring noises. Sadly, I was one of those pesky mouth breathers until I got this sleep kit by Sleep Flow. Included in this one pack is nasal tape and then also mouth tape. So if you were like me and you struggled to properly breathe through your nose, the nasal tape sorts that and makes it so much easier. And then of course the mouth tape stops that horrible snoring. These are actually so good, and there's a whole month's worth of supply in here. So if a good night's sleep's not worth £10 to you, then I don't know what is. If you want to give it a go, click that yellow basket.